and rejoin Commander Bernanke in the diamond formation.
Waste time with the masterpiece, waste time with the masterpiece. You should be rolling me, you should be rolling me. You're a real life fantasy, you're a real life fantasy. But you move so carefully, let's start living dangerously.
They exit to the left. Observers Commander Bernanke brings the formation back to the flight line. Very shortly, all 6 aircraft will be approaching for the Blue Angel fleur-de-lis. In an aerial salute to our forward deployed forces, all 6 aircraft will separate, perform individual 360-degree rolls, and the 4 diamond pilots will rendezvous through a looping formation. From the left, at 450 miles per hour, the Blue Angel fleur-de-lis. Let's listen in. To the right, the 2 solo pilots are rejoining the diamond. From 6 different directions, with maximum closure and minimum separation, they'll converge on center point and cross with a combined close rate of nearly 1,000 miles per hour. front of the crowd, the Delta is making their approach to the flight line. Very shortly, all 6 aircraft will separate in dramatic fashion. Ladies and gentlemen, the Blue Angel Delta Breakout. From the right, your 2016 Blue Angels. One of the unique demands placed upon naval aviators is that they be able to land their aircraft on a ship at sea, whether it be a tactical jet, propeller-driven aircraft, or a helicopter. The 6 demonstration pilots you've been watching perform here this afternoon are but a small part of the Blue Angel team. The men and women standing before you in blue uniforms are members of the elite Blue Angel maintenance crew. Through hard work, many long hours, and unselfish dedication, they have each year for the past 70 years provided us with the aircraft availability necessary to perform these flight demonstrations. As the aircraft taxi back, I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce the Blue Angel maintenance crew. Command Master Chief Blake Schimmel from Wheaton, Illinois. Maintenance Master Chief Robbie Bonanno from Las Vegas, Nevada. Maintenance Chief Pedro Gonzalez from Curacao, Venezuela. Maintenance Chief Jason Burmeister from Pensacola, Florida. Crew Coordinator Zach Miller from Elkmont, Alabama. Crew Chief Number 1 Raspy Lewis from Columbia, Missouri. First Mech Mike Hearn from Lake Forest, California. Crew Chief Number 2 Sarah Shank from Rogersville, Tennessee. First Mech Abigail Bonsu from Anchorage, Ghana. Crew Chief Number 3 Jonathan Cronin from Bronx, New York. First Mech Yael Martinez from Recibo, Puerto Rico. Crew Chief Number 4 Ryan Hooks from Andrews, South Carolina. First Mech Casey Hurrigan from Casanova, New York. Crew Chief Number 5 Cyril Sandusky from Pueblo, Colorado. First Mech Cody Rich from Huntsville, Texas. Crew Chief Number 6 Justin Hanks from Mayer, Arizona. First Mech Cody Kazian from New Berlin, Wisconsin. Crew Chief Number 7 Anthony Petronas from Converse, Texas. Our Romeo Alert crew Brian Kaufman from Fort Worth, Texas. Zachary Goodnight from Lewiston, Idaho. Ori Henkel from Chicago, Illinois. Shane Miller from Woodbine, Georgia. Brian Lambell from San Diego, California. Quality Assurance Representative John Scher from Weatherford, Texas. Aerospace Medicine Technician Ryan Schaefer from York, Pennsylvania. Public Affairs Representative Dominic Ramines from Honolulu, Hawaii. Our Video Technician Ryan Kemp from Whitehall, Michigan. Ryan Clogston from Woodinville, Washington. Logistics Support Representative Kiki Elmore from Dallas, Texas. Dakota Eads from Rome, Georgia. Maintenance Control Representative Zoltan Prestridge from Arlington, Texas. Life Support Representative Curtis Matthews from Woodland, Pennsylvania. Our support crew, Zach Burnett from Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania. Anthony Moreno from Tucson, Arizona. Jen Piatek from Novi, Michigan. Dave Zimmerman from Covina, California. Josh Wilborn from Danville, Virginia. Ian Cotter from Newark, Delaware. Sean McMahon from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Ryan Schick from Oakwood, Texas. Matt Miller from Latice, Pennsylvania. Megan Strickland from Waynesboro, Tennessee. Derek Demery from Shreveport, Louisiana. Edgar Ruffin from Baltimore, Maryland. Arthur Stockbolt from Kingston, Jamaica. Jay Simeon from Jude, Texas. Our music choreographer, Mike Smith from Norfolk, Virginia. Ladies and gentlemen, the Blue Angel Maintenance Crew 2016. After completing a short maintenance debrief, the team will be coming to the crowd line where you'll have an opportunity to meet them. As they step away from their aircraft, I'd like to take one final opportunity to introduce the 6 pilots you've been watching perform here this afternoon. Having secured their engines, the pilots will simultaneously exit the aircraft on signal from Commander Bernanke. It has been an honor and our pleasure to perform for you here at Miramar. This, our 41st flight demonstration of the 2016 season.